Hi everybody! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change paragraph spacing on Squarespace and also learn line spacing magics. If you're building a clean, professional site and your text feels too cramped or too spaced out, this quick tutorial will teach you how to adjust line spacing in Squarespace, improve text readability, and make your website look more polished. This guide works especially well with Squarespace 7.1 and newer templates. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Squarespace account. Go to the Squarespace homepage and click Login. If you prefer, choose Continue with Google for a fast and password-free sign-in. Once you're in, select the website you want to edit. This takes you to the dashboard with full control over your site's settings. Step 2. Open the Style Editor. Click on Design, then go to Site Styles or Fonts, depending on your template. This is the section where you can customize text layout in Squarespace and control typography across your entire website. Step 3. Adjust paragraph spacing and typography settings. Click on a paragraph or text block on your site to reveal text style options. Scroll to the spacing section. Look for paragraph spacing or line height. The other place to find spacing is in Fonts panel. Here we go. Click on the headings, the Fonts panel. Look for paragraph styles under body text. Click into it and you'll now be able to change two important settings. Line height. This controls the vertical space between lines. Increasing it will make your content feel more open and readable. Letter spacing. This adjusts the space between characters horizontally. Use this to fine-tune how dense or airy your paragraphs appear. Together, these two tools help you change text spacing in Squarespace without needing any code. You can experiment until your paragraph formatting matches your brand and style. This is also helpful if you're following accessibility best practices or aiming for mobile readability. Last step is to save your changes. That locks in your updates, so they go live on your published site. If you're editing multiple text blocks or using custom CSS, you can still control text styling in Squarespace globally through Site Styles, or override it per block using the text editor. Also, for advanced control, you can explore how to edit paragraph formatting in Squarespace using CSS. But for most users, the built-in tools are more than enough. And that's it. You now know how to change paragraph spacing on Squarespace the right way, using built-in controls to improve your site's readability, design, and professionalism. If you found this Squarespace typography tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel now. Thanks and bye-bye.